students, today we discuss fertilizers in India, lesson number 7, page number 82. Fertilizers in India is concentrated in the central area around the production of the nitrogen fertilizers. What are the nitrogen fertilizers? We have observed mostly complex of the phosphates and the complex fertilizers are phosphate fertilizers and ammonium phosphates. We have the combination of nitrogen, phosphate, potash. The third, for example, potash is entirely composed. We do not have to become commercially unable to potash or potassium compound of any form. Potash is not directly available. And second thing, we are not produced from our country. It is imported from other countries. India is a large producer of the nitrogen fertilizers. They are the 57% of the fertilizers used unit manufactures nitrogen complex nitrogen fertilizers. 29 is there for urea and 9 are producing of the ammonium phosphates. By product of 68 other small unit produce single, they are called super phosphates. So these type of numbering we can understand. So at present 10 public sectors undertaking and 1 cooperative sector. It is Hazaria in Gujarat, the Fertilizer Corporation of India. They are under control of the Fertilizer Corporation of India. After the Green Revolution, industries expanded to several other parts of the country. For example, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala contribute towards the half of the fertilizers productions. But as in fact, it is a very essential. The construction activity such as building house, factories, bridges, roads, airports, dams, and other commercial establishments also, it is very crucial part role played. These industries required bulky and heavy raw materials such as limestone, silica, alumina, and gypsum. Coal and electric power is also needed for the part of these part of the rail transportations. The first cement factory is laid down in Chennai in 1904. After 1904, after independence, the industries are expanded. The decontrol of the price and distribution of the since 1989 and other policy reforms let the cement industries make a rapid stride in capacity, process, technology and production. Almost we observed 128 large cement factories in our country. There are the 332 mini cement plants are there in our country. The improvement of quality has found the produce of the readily available market in East Asia market, most part Middle East, African, South Africa, South Asian part of the large demanding within the countries. The industry doing well in terms of the production as well as the exports. Effort are being made to generate the adequate domestic demand supply in order to sustain these industries. Okay. Now automobile industries, you know very well automobile is which one is the vehicles produced quickly for the transportation of goods passengers. Truck, bus, car, motorcycles, scooter, three-wheelers or multi-utility vehicles are also manufactured in India at various centers. After liberalization means, what are the economic liberalization after coming in the part of new and contemporary models, stimulatively demanding for the vehicles in the market, which lead to the healthy growth in industries, including the passenger cars, two-wheelers, and three-wheelers. This industry has expanded quantum jump in less than 15 years. The foreign direct investment (FDI) that is called broadly new technology aligned with the industries with the global development. At present, the 15 manufacturing companies are there in our India. Their cars and their multi-utility vehicles, 9 of the commercial vehicles, 14 out of 2 or 3 wheelers. These industries are around in India: Delhi, Gorkha, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur and Bangalore. Okay. Now information technology and electronic industries. You know very well. Today information technology the hub is we obtain in South India, that is in Hyderabad. Okay. The electronic industries which cover the wide range of productions from the transistor set to the television, telephone, cellular telecom and pages, telephone exchanges, radars, computer and many other equipments required for the telecommunication industries. These are all required for the telecommunication systems. But Bangalore has the emerged as the electronic capital of India. In other important cities from the electronic goods from in India, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, and Coimbatore. 18 software technology parks provide a single window of service in a high data communication facilities for software exports. A major impact of the industry has been employed generally up to March 31st, 2005. The IT industry employed over the million people are there. This number expected to increase the eightfold in the next 3 to 4 years. It encouraged to know 30% of people employed in this sector are women. This industry has been a major foreign exchange entered in the last 2-3 years because of the fast growing business of the BPO, that is the business process unit sectors. So it is both hardware and software are successful about the IT industries in India. Okay, now government in India, department, government of the early 30 years, what we have expected, we can understand it in this part. So we can revise this lesson thoroughly. Remaining part tomorrow I will explain.